Hi everyone, Gigi from Dawn of Braids here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create 3 wearable hairstyles inspired by TV and movie. This first one's inspired by Game of Thrones. Clip in wefts of extensions for volume and length. Take a small portion from the very front of your hair and twist. You can then clip this. Repeat on the other side of your head, and then take a portion of the hair from the back of your head and plait. You can then pancake this braid and wrap it round itself to create a small flower-shaped bun. Then, pin the 2 twists from before into the bun. You can then curl your hair for light waves. This next style is inspired by Emma Watson from the live-action Beauty and the Beast. Take a portion of your hair, there's no real way to do this, just twist it back towards the back of your head and then lightly pull it apart. You can then clip this off. Repeat on the other side of your head. And then tie both of the twists together and then flip under itself to create a butterfly twist and further pull apart. I then added a bow, but this step is optional. I just thought it was pretty cute. Finally, this is super easy. Just take a very small part of your hair up and to create a half ponytail and tie off with a ponytail holder. Then clip in one of the 1 clip or 2 clip wefts of extensions into the ponytail, and to hide the extension you can wrap a yellow scrunchie round just like Millie. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please follow Dawn of Braids and ClipHair Limited for more. Thanks!